Right. Well, that won't work. Well.
Keep in mind this is the inside, so which is the best looking side for this board? This one or this one?
I don't know.
This one's got some writing on it.
Let's go with that one.
It's got some pink on it.
Let's go with the nice side out, which is the pink side. Okay, so we built these panels. We'll be showing you how to build these panels here pretty quick. They're made out of 4x4, 2x6, 2x12, some screws. Okay. Okay, so Sean has now taken the 5 boards, the 3 2x6s and the 2 2x12s, and putting them together. And he's going to start figuring out how he's going to put the 4x4s on here. They'll be in 3 places, one on each end and one in the middle. And this is how he attaches a 4x4 to all those planks. He loves those squeezy clamps. He bought them for $4 at Harbor Freight or Big Lots or somewhere.
Big Lots.
Big Lots. But he loves them. Sean, tell us how you're finding center here.
Well, these boards are 10 feet long, and so I measured them and marked them at 5 feet.
Okay.
And then I'm going to just mark the ends.
Is the T-square, or is the 90-degree angle thing you got there? Is that important? Is that important for this project?
Not really.
It just makes it nicer.
Yeah, I mean, it's hard to not be square with these boards. They're either going to be square or there's no way to make them square except position them and then cut them. They're square enough for what we're going to do, but I'm using this because it's convenient.
Okay.
It happened to be the one that I had closest because I could have used this one for that. But this one, I wanted to measure for the long line there.
Okay.
Nothing sinister.
Gosh, it's hot, isn't it?
Yeah. This part probably isn't necessary, but it's helpful to me.
He's just finding center there.
And actually, it's not precise center. It's just enough of a reference so that I'll know what I'm doing.
Okay, I gotta turn this off so I can go give him a hand, because at this point he needs an octopus. Now in this design we tried to make, as the panel's sitting like this on the bench, we tried to keep all the bowed boards on with the bow on the top, and because that's going to be the inside of the pond, and as the pond fills up with water, it's going to push that bow out. Okay? So if you decide to make this, make sure you do it with the bow side on the inside of the pond. Okay, and that's what the outside of the board closest to me is going to look like. The board in the back is going to look the same way, but facing the house. The man domain. The man domain. This is Sean, and he's making
Stuff.
the sides for our above ground koi pond QT tank. The man domain. Well, it's 11 o'clock or so. It's a good time to quit. I'm tired. Thought you'd like to see what we've done. Okay, so this is the end of the box. And then there it is. Its dimensions are 5 on the outside, on the short side, 10 long. And then in here, for lining, before we put the rubber liner in, I decided I wanted to use foam board. It's going to be a floating bottom, obviously. We got stuff to put on the bottom, we'll be alright. And this is going to be my new QT tank. See, it's pitch black outside. Okay, good night.